Hey, how's it going? This is Tony with FalconFPV. What I'm doing today is I'm trying to strip this servo wire down here to hook up my camera to my OSD. And I don't have any strippers, so here's what I'm using. I got my X-Acto knife, and I'm just pressing down about 3/8 of an inch towards the end here, trying to get down just to the wire and not cut it. They're real thin, so be careful. Just rolling that right on there. Okay. Now I'm going to get some pliers. I'm going to be real gentle here, and I'm just going to lightly pull. Let's see what kind of separation we're getting, seeing if I cut it all the way. Looks like I can cut it a little bit more. You can see just a little bit of gap. See a little gap in there. Alright. Okay, I think I got it. Okay. There we go. Check that wire to see if I got any pieces, no strands. Pretty clean. Alright. Twist them up. I got 4 more to do. What I'm doing is I'm setting here to the side like this so they don't get damaged. When the servo leads come in, the servo connectors, attach those up. Those will plug right into my OSD. Thanks for watching.